So let's see the new pattern for the Karnataka PU board exam. So regarding for that one, I will discussion for the very important MCQs on the topic of electric charges and fields. Okay, let's see for the first problem. Okay, so an isolated solid metallic sphere is plus Q charge. So this is the solid metallic charge. So in this solid metallic charge, it is a plus Q. The charge will be distributed on the sphere. How the charge is distributed? So the charge is distributed only on the surface. It is a uniformly. Why? Because it is a specific, it is a shape is here. That is the reason, according to the properties of charge, the charge is distributed uniformly throughout the surface with uniform. So which is the option is right answer? Uniform but only on the surface. Only on the surface but non-uniform. It is a uniform. So uniform inside ali irala. Inside ali that one is electric field is 0. Non-uniform inside. So which is the right option? Nodi, uniformly but only on the what? Surface of the charge. So let's see the second one. There are two metallic spheres of same radii. So but one is a solid, another one is a hollow. So let's see, this is a one is a solid, this is the solid. So then another one is a hollow cylinder. So then what is the question is asked? So if the charge is, how can be distributed? So the charge is distributed what? That is a equally Q by 2, Q by 2. So only surface. Okay. So let's see which is the right answer for this one. So that is the, they can be charged equally. That is a option C is the right answer for the what? Second one. So then go to the third question. So let's see the third question. The third question is the value of electric permittivity. So we know that electric field is equal to what is the equation? That is a 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by what? R square. 1 divided by 4 pi yavade unit iralla. So then epsilon naught is equal to, so epsilon naught is equal to what? In the denominator place, so E R square, then Q1 Q2. So then that is a C square. So divided by electric field is electrostatic force. This is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, that is a Newton. This one is what? Meter square. So which is the right answer? So that's value is how much? Value is, you know, that is epsilon naught value is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So Coulomb square per Newton meter square. So which option is right? That is a option C is the right answer for the third question. So let's move to the fourth question. Number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge. So 1 coulomb of charge ali, that is the charge is equal to how much given? 1 coulomb. So you have to find out number of electrons. So number of electrons means N is equal to question mark. That is a formula. Q is equal to what? N into E. So then N is equal to what? So N is equal to Q divided by E. So what is E value? E is equal to how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So now you have to put the values, that is a 1 divided by, so 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So 1.6 is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay, so that is a B option is the right answer for the fourth question. So let's move to the fifth question. So fifth question, so that is a fifth question is one metallic sphere A is given positive charge. So A is given positive charge. So A is the positive charge and B is exactly in the same mass of A given equal amount of negative charge. So that is a B is given what? B is given negative charge. So whether B is given means negative charge means mass yavralli increases agutte anta kelidane nodi. So when the two bodies, okay, so this is a body is positive and B body is what? Negative. So B body is negative means it is a more electrons are present andre, so electrons ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ gaining. So the electrons gain ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ mass ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ increases in the B. So mass is increases in the B and which option is right? So A is not increases, mass in the B is what? Increases. That is a option D is the right answer for the fifth question. So let's move to the sixth question. So sixth question anna nodi, two charged spheres separated at D exact force F on each other. So two charges, that is a F1 charge, another one charge is F2. It is separated by the distance D. So force is equal to, nodi, repulsive force is equal to how much given? F on each other. If they are immersed in a liquid of dielectric constant 2, then the new force for all conditions. Okay, so same idralli en martane, you have to immerse it onto the what? Dielectric constant 2. So dielectric constant 2 alli en martane, it is immersed on it. Okay, so immersed on it, what is the new force? So this new force is equal to enagutte, so that is F divided by K. So F divided by K means what? F divided by dielectric constant is 2. So which is the right answer? That is a option A is the right answer for the sixth question. So let's move to the seventh question. So seventh question enide andre, when 10 to the power of 19 electrons are removed from the neutral metal plate, the charge. Okay, so N is given, N is equal to how much? 10 to the power of 19. So we know that formula Q is equal to what? N into E. Then N is how much? 10 to the power of 19. What is E value? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So plus 19 and minus 19 so get cancelled. So that is a charge is equal to 1 coulomb, 1.6. So 1.6 coulomb, which is the right answer. So plus 1.6 minus 1.6. What is eliminatory charge? Eliminatory charge is minus. So that is the reason minus 1.6. That is a option A is the right answer for the seventh question. Then eighth question, the dielectric constant for metal. So metal in a dielectric constant. So for the metal, the dielectric constant, ಇದರ dielectric constant ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? Infinity. So insulator ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? So insulator ನಲ್ಲಿ dielectric constant is equal to how much? 0. Then so next one, ninth one. So when the glass rod is rubbed with the silk. Okay, so e glass rod. So this glass rod is rubbed with the what? Silk. So silk. Now glass rod is. So glass rod is ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? So glass rod becomes positive charge. So glass rod ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So glass rod becomes positive. Silk becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Negative. So silk becomes negative ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ which option is right? Okay, so gains the electron from the silk. Glass rod is gains the electron. No, gives the electron. ನೋಡಿ, so ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ silk becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Silk becomes negative charge. Negative charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದು? It will be the what? Gains the electrons. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ gives the electrons to the silk. Gains the proton. No. Okay, there is a no playing rule of proton. So that is a which answer is right? That is a option B is the right answer for the what? 9th question. So let's move to the 10th question. So 10th question nodi, if E is a electric field intensity of an electrostatic field, then electrostatic energy density is proportionality to the electrostatic energy density. So electrostatic energy density means that is a du by dv is equal to what? So du by dv is equal to 1 divided by 2 k. So that is epsilon naught what? Epsilon naught E square. So then how it is related to the electrostatic force? The electrostatic density. So electrostatic density, how it is related? So electrostatic density is proportionality to the what? E square. So which option is right? That is a option B is the right answer for the what? 10th question. Okay, in the next video we have to discussion for the 11th question to the 20th question. So be watch the Chair Easy Physics and to what subscribe for the my channel for the uploading of the more videos. Okay, so thank you.